Just because we're vegan or plant-based doesn't mean we shouldn't enjoy some delicious lemon piccata. This tofu lemon piccata is of course lemony. It's got capers. It's got all of that delicious lemon piccata flavor. Let's check it out. Let's get started on this easy recipe. I cut the tofu into quarters. If you want it to look less like rectangles, you could tear off the edges. They'll still be kind of rectangularly though. This tofu has been frozen and defrosted. This method changes the texture, making it more hearty and less likely to break apart. I highly recommend freezing and defrosting for this recipe. I season the tofu a bit, and then it gets dredged into the seasoned flour. The recipe will be listed in the description box below. I have a bit of oil in a nonstick pan. You really do want to use a nonstick pan for this recipe. Once the oil is hot, add the tofu, being sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook the tofu on medium-high until it browns on one side, then flip. Hey, I'm very active on Instagram. Click the link in the description box and let's be friends. When the tofu is done, remove it, and if you have excess oil, pour out most of it. Add the garlic and cook on medium heat until it becomes fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then add your broth of choice. If you're interested in my broth recipe that uses kitchen scraps, check out the description box for the link. Add 1 lemon, thinly sliced. Allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes until it reduces just a bit. Hey friend, if you liked this video, please subscribe. It's free, and I can't grow my channel without you. Add lemon juice and capers, and again allow it to simmer for a bit until it just slightly thickens, about 5 more minutes. Add the butter and allow it to melt. Add parsley, mix well, and pour over your pan-fried tofu. I already filmed this once, but my camera didn't work, so let's try it again. So good. Perfectly lemony. Got that great caper flavor. So good. If you enjoyed this video on lemon piccata, click this recipe next.